Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dr. Online 24/7. Today's topic is PAP test. A PAP test is a test to screen for cervical cancer or other cervical diseases. Your cervix is the lower part of the uterus, at the top of your vagina. What is a PAP test? A PAP test to check your cervix for abnormal cells. Abnormal cells can sometimes turn into cervical cancer if they aren't treated. A PAP test can be part of a pelvic exam. First, your healthcare provider will place an instrument called a speculum into your vagina. The speculum will be opened so that your cervix can be seen. Next, your provider will use a scraper or brush to gently collect cells from your cervix. How long does a PAP test take? Your cells will be examined at a lab under a microscope to see if any of them are abnormal. It usually takes about 1 to 3 weeks to get your test results. If you have questions about this test or your test results, talk to your provider. That's it for today. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching Dr. Online 24/7 by Dr. Sana Bawani. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.